how you can change your delivery address on your Amazon. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, just open up your web browser and go to amazon.com. Now after you've gone to your amazon.com, make sure that you're logged in. Now after you've logged in, what you need to do is hover on to your profile right here where it says hello, your name, and after you tap on that, you can see your address option right there. Tap on your address. Now you can add an address right here. If you already have an address, you can edit that right there, and you can just select your region right here, your name, your phone numbers, your street address, and your city, state, zip code. And here you can just add your delivery instructions too. Now it's optional, but you can add it to make it more uh, to yours suited. Now you can select where you want your package to be left, like the front door, back door, side porch, your outside garage. You can even add your security code, and if you have a dog you can mention that too, and you can add that. Now that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you add an address and edit an address on your Amazon. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and bye bye.